To send an ACH payment with SoFi, you need to have a SoFi account and the recipient's bank account information. Start by logging into your SoFi account and navigating to the payment section. You will see the option to send money. Click on it and select ACH transfer. Enter the recipient's name, bank account number, and routing number. Double-check the account information to ensure accuracy, as incorrect information may result in failed or delayed payments. Next, enter the payment amount and add a memo if needed. Review the transaction details to confirm everything is correct. If you are sending money to someone for the first time, SoFi may require you to verify their account information. Once you have verified the recipient's account information, you can proceed with the payment. SoFi will then initiate the ACH transfer, which can take a few business days to complete. You can track the status of your payment in the SoFi account activity section. It is essential to note that ACH transfers have limits and may incur fees. Check with SoFi for their ACH transfer limits and fees. Additionally, be aware of the cutoff times for same-day processing and plan your payments accordingly. Sending an ACH payment with SoFi is a convenient and relatively fast way to transfer funds. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can efficiently send ACH payments and manage your finances effectively. Always review and verify the transaction details to ensure secure and successful transfers.